How's it going, you guys? It's Trevor here with Geotrek, and today we're checking out this really well-equipped custom Albatross that's about to pull out from the shop today. So starting off with the exterior, this customer chose to go with our off-road bundle, which is going to include a set of 5 BFG KO3 all-terrains, these torque wheels that have the right offset for the Van Compass 4.3 suspension kit. So this thing is ready to hit all the trailheads. They also chose to get the Owl Vans running boards on here, which look really cool, very similar to our Geotrek ones. And then they also chose the Geotrek roof rack, which really rounds out the whole exterior. Moving on to the back here, you can see they chose to go with our rear Geotrek gearbox to get some exterior storage outside the van. And then you'll notice the back windows, these are our new rear awning windows. They're a lot more sleek design. They have very almost seamless windows back there. And then this is an Albatross build, but they did choose the 2 bump outs on each side. So they're gonna have a mega bed in the back of this van. Moving over to the driver's side of the van, they chose our Geotrek side ladder, which gives you really easy access to the roof of the van. And then you can also see that driver's side flare on this side. This van looks sweet. Moving on to the interior, this is our classic Albatross layout, definitely our most popular layout. They have the Smokestone cabinet color, which is a new cabinet color we just started offering pretty recently. It looks great with the blue-gray exterior of this van. And then they've got a really new feature to us, and that's the inset sink. So perfect seamless bamboo going over to the sink. All of your faucet and your sink amenities are going to be popping right out of that bamboo, so you don't see any kind of metal shroud around the sink. Really clean look. They've got our counter cubby add-on here, which is really popular. They chose to go with the microwave as well, which is a super functional option to add on. We've got our front Max Air fan. The black Max Air fan looks super slick. With the Albatross layout, you're gonna have our north-south bed. Even though we have the pillows set up east-west, we only do that so they don't fall out the back and get dirty. But with all of our Geotrek builds, it's gonna come with a set of bedding already with it. We're always improving here at Geotrek. So this is our new comforter that all the vans are gonna be coming with, and our new pillows. They're like Tempur-Pedic pillows, super comfortable. So when you come and pick up your van, you've already got bedding in there, so you don't need to worry about flying in with bedding and all that kind of stuff. We got you covered. Moving back to the garage here, we've got a lot to look at. We've got our rear awning windows. These things are great, super easy to use. They work in the rain. You've got a drop-down blackout screen as well as a bug screen. So super nice add-on there. We've also got our new aluminum garage slide out tray. It's got this nice little Geotrek brand right there. And this thing is great for whether it be storing your bikes or your rock climbing gear, whatever it may be. This is great for organizing all of your garage space. They also chose the rear bug screen back here around the rear door. And then we've got our outdoor shower and the water heater up there as well. Thanks for checking out this quick little tour of this van we've got pulling out of the shop today. If you're interested in getting your own off-grid camper van, definitely make sure to check us out on geotrekvans.com. You can get in touch with me or other van experts directly, ask any questions you might have, and get you on the schedule. If you're interested in seeing more videos just like this one, make sure you subscribe down below, stay in tune, see what we got coming out in the future.